Open views of the Pacific, a volume that conquers the slope, and a suspended net that redefines family living. This is the Primeriza House, set on a steep clearing framed by cypress trees in the back and the sea in front. Its design emerges from the topography. A semi-buried exposed concrete base anchors the house and transforms into a retaining wall as the terrain drops, enhancing the view without imposing on the landscape. Above this solid pedestal, a wooden volume with floor-to-ceiling glass panels extends toward the terrace and a sunken landscaped patio. Here's an unexpected feature: a safety net between the floors, an elastic surface for playing, relaxing, and maintaining visual continuity without the need for railings. Inside, wood dominates as the sole material, but its treatment varies. On the first level, a dark, semi-transparent finish. On the second, a semi-gloss white that reflects the sky, the sea, and the surrounding landscape, shifting tones throughout the day. In contrast to the solid base, the main floor, built in wood and framed with floor-to-ceiling glass, opens to the north terrace, the west landscaped patio, and the south entrance court, which functions as a light well. The living and dining areas flow together beneath a double-height ceiling, connecting to the TV room and the circulation leading to the bedrooms. light enters through a longitudinal skylight that washes the surfaces and changes throughout the day. The pedestrian entrance lies between the concrete wall and the landscaped hill, camouflaged within the vegetation. The stair access leads to a small porch and an entry hall, a transparent prism that filters the interior-exterior view in a nearly kaleidoscopic sequence. The terrace extends from the living area as a natural continuation of the interior, while native vegetation surrounds the house without visible boundaries, maintaining continuity between built form and landscape. The orientation of the house acts as a shield. The south facade is protected from strong winds, while the front remains open and calm. The volume and vegetation work together to ensure both comfort and views. The topography and layout respond consciously to the site. Primeriza House proposes a way of living that goes beyond shelter, to see the sea, hear the cypress trees, and feel the slope of the land. Here, architecture and nature exist in dialogue, not in competition. Heavy concrete meets light wood, shaded interiors meet the open sky. It is a place where living becomes contemplation, a house built to be, rather than to impress.